Let's start with basic warm up, right? From neck to toe. So here you go. Neck up and down. Left and right. Clockwise. So 5 times. Slowly. Anti-clockwise 5 times. Okay. Shoulders. Five times clockwise, anti-clockwise 5 times. Full hand swing 5 times. Other hand 5 times. Anti-clockwise other hand. Same anti-clockwise other hand. Okay. Little of stretching, hand stretchings, chest, shoulders. Okay. Little bit of up and down. Okay. Little bit of twist. Right side 5 times. Left side 5 times. Okay. Some up and down, basically back bend 5 times. Okay, side bend 5 times. 5 times this side, 5 times that side. Five and right. Waist rotation. Make a circle. Wait. Through waist and clockwise 5 times and then anti-clockwise 5 times. Nice. Okay. So next, go for thighs. Some thigh stretch. Other leg. Okay. Some basic sit-ups. Let us do some basic sit-ups. 10 times. They are all warm-up exercises. Okay. Six, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Okay. Then some knee rotation. Okay. and then ankle rotation clockwise 5 times, anti-clockwise 5 times. Again clockwise 5 times, anti-clockwise 5 times. Okay, nice. So what we'll do is we have 45 minutes, so we'll go for 40 minutes cardio, and then last 5-6 minutes we'll do stretching. Okay, so let us do some basic again warm up. So this is the plank jack, right? So let's do for 30 seconds. So all the variations, I'll have a slow and a faster variation. So this is slow, okay? If you're doing for the first time, or if you have a knee pain, right? This is the slower version and this is the faster version, right? But if you are in a weight loss program, go for a faster version, okay? Else it will not help you. So 30 seconds, here you go. 3, 2, 1, go. Breathe in, breathe out. Try to come in a rhythm. Don't just hold your breath and jump. Five more seconds. 2 and 1. 30 seconds done. Nice. I'm audible to everyone, right? Thumbs up. If I'm audible to everyone, can you show thumbs up? Okay, great. Now, next is high knees. Okay. So this is the slower version. Okay. So my knee should be high. It should touch my basically, palms. Okay. And this is the faster version. Okay. So we'll start. 3, 2, 1. 30 seconds. Go. Seconds done. Take a 10 seconds gap. Okay, body is warm up now. One request to all of you: will not sit. Okay. Even if do mat program, even if do on the mat पे भी करेंगे. But once we done, get up and do a little bit of walking. Okay? हम लोग बैठेंगे नहीं, ठीक है? Just for 30-40 minutes. So here, next is we'll do burpees and lunges. Okay? So here is a slower version. Okay? Do this. Do this, go down, legs down, come up, and again do this, go down, legs down and up. Okay? Easy ones, but here is the faster version. Okay? So people who are in the weight loss program, don't have knee pains or shoulder pain, they can go for the faster version. People for the first time, they can try a combination also. fast and slow both. Okay, we'll do for 30 seconds half burpee and jumping lunges. Okay, here we go. 3, 2, 1, go. Lunges, burpee, lunges, burpee, lunges, burpee, lunges, burpee, lunges, burpee. Last 5 seconds. Done. 30 seconds. Great. We'll do this one more time. 10 seconds gap. I wanted to see if everybody is doing correct or not. Don't sit. Yeah, take a walk. Okay. We'll do this again. We'll repeat this for 30 seconds. Okay, here we go. 3, 2, 1, go. 1, 2, burpees. 3 burpees. Yes, I want to see. Yeah, nice. Santosh, Devesh. Yeah, Smithal is correct. Radha is correct. Okay. Okay, nice. Nice guys. 30 seconds done. Okay, great. Take a 10 seconds break. Okay, next one I will show you. We did some warm-up exercise for legs, do some for body. Okay, so the older version of push-ups, right? Let me show you how. The older version. Okay. I can. Yeah. The older version of push-ups. Huh? So, for girls, okay, knees down, and then you do this. Okay, it's a full swing. Okay, for boys, hit this one. Okay, the older version of push-ups, full swing, good for both. Okay, so we'll do for, I can do 20 counts, but let's do 10, 10, 10, 30. Okay, 3 sets will do. 10, 10, 5 also is fine. People who are doing for the first time, they can go for 8, 8, 8. That's okay. Here we go. 3, 2, 1, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay, we'll do one more set, 2 more sets basically. 10 seconds gap. Again, let's not sit, just walk around. Okay. When you sit, this slows down our heart rate, not good for a cardio. Here you go. Okay. People can go for 10 or 8 counts, and even 5 is also okay, but not less than 5. Okay. Let's go. 3, 2, 1 and go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Great, guys. Okay, one more set. We'll do one more set. Take a walk. Sorry. No, it's okay. Check. Okay. Okay. Next one. Same thing. We'll do it again. Okay. This conveniently. Here you go. 3, 2, 1. Start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Great, guys. Okay. Okay. Take a small water break. Okay. We'll meet after 15-20 seconds. Okay, all of you ready? I'll show you the next one. Easy ones. It's called shuffle. Okay, you stand and do this. Easy ones. Okay, visible, right? Shuffle your legs. Okay, so we'll do for 1 minute. Here you go. 3, 2, 1, start, go. No, you have to jump. You have to jump. You jump and do. Correct. Not only leg forward and backward. You jump and do. Almost like running. Only 30 seconds, 30 more seconds to go. And done. 1 minute done. Great, guys. Take a 10 seconds break. Right. Your heartbeat rate can be almost to 130, 140. Let's see. Okay, next is this one. Okay, you go down and touch your feet. So left hand, right feet, right hand, left feet. Okay, easy ones we'll do for a 1 minute. Okay, easy ones. Here you go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 23, 24, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 30 more seconds to go. And done. 1 minute done. Take a 10 seconds gap. I hope you guys are sweating. नहीं तो कहीं cheating हो रहा है. Okay. Next one we'll do again lunges and sit-ups combination. Okay, so here is the slower version. Go down, do this and do this. Okay, here is the slower version and here is the faster version. Okay, okay, again faster version will help you to lose weight more easily. Okay, here you go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and go. 30 seconds, we'll do for 30 seconds. Ten more seconds to go. And done. Great guys. 10 seconds gap. Okay, we'll do almost a boxing warm up. Okay, this one, you elbow, okay, hook, punch, kick, hook, punch, kick. Okay, all of you can try. Hook, punch, kick, hook, punch. You do with lot of power, not like this. No, not like this. You do with power. Okay, almost like you're trying to hit someone with all your powers. Okay, can all of you try once? I want to see if everybody is doing correct or not. Yes, Radha, the leg has to be a little more up. Yes, Myra is fine. Okay, yeah. Which is that punching? Same leg will take it. Okay, if this is the punching, this leg, hook, punch and leg. Yeah, bye. Others are fine. Okay. So let's do for 10 counts. 10 count right, 10 count left. Okay. No timings. Here we go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. Hook, punch, kick. 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 Hook, punch. 5 more. 4 more. 2 more. 1 more. Done. Okay. Small water break. We'll start again. Ten more seconds. We'll go down on the mat. We'll do some abs routine. Okay. Come down on the mat. Okay, regular bicycle crunches. Again, you have to completely get up and twist. Get up and twist. Okay? Don't just twist your hands only. You have to twist your entire body. Okay? Only hands will not work. Okay? That's the trick. Yeah. Correct. That is correct. Yeah. That's correct. So, okay. And we'll do slowly. So, when I do say change, we'll change. Hold and change. Okay? Hold and change. We'll do that. Let's do for 30 seconds or 30 counts we'll do. Okay? Not time, 30 counts. Here we go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and go. 1. Hold. Change. 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 Hold. Last 5 counts. Change. Hold. Change. Hold. Last 3. Change. Hold. Change. And hold. Done. Be on the mat. We'll do some mat exercise only again. Okay. This is little a difficult one, but that's okay. Fun, more fun. Okay. Let me show you this. Got the idea? Okay, I'll do again. Here, 1. Okay, this is 1 count. Okay, 2. Okay, so it's drop and get up. Okay, be careful, you should not hit your back. Go slowly, sit and then go down, and then with complete force you try to come up. Okay, complete force. Yeah, with both legs, flying with both legs. Okay, correct. Santosh is correct. Here we go. We'll go for 10 counts. Okay, 10 to 12 counts. Here we go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. 1. Go slowly. 2. Again slowly. 3. Go slowly. 4. 5. 6. It's okay. You can take some hand support if you want. Okay? Take some hand support if you want. Okay? So, hand support like this. Okay? Last 3. 8. If you are doing for the first time, I know it's difficult. 9. And 10. Who was able to do full 10 completely? Good, Santosh, good. I know. It's थोड़ा funny है and difficult भी है. Right? So now, if you sit and someone tells to get up, you will remember this exercise. Okay? Okay, good. We'll do it one more times, okay? Just to feel around. So take a 10 seconds gap again. Here you go. Okay. Okay. So on the count of 5, we'll go down. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. Let's start. 10 counts. 1, 2. Okay. If you are having back pain or stomach pain, you can stop it. That's okay. Okay. Take a break. 3. As I said, you can take hand support also if it's needed. 4, 5, 6, 7, plus 3, 8, 9, last one, and great. Take a 10 seconds gap. Okay. We'll go for some stretching exercises, okay? And then we'll go for some cool down. Maybe some meditation will do, okay? Huh? Too much. Okay, we'll go for a side plank. Okay, side plank for 1 minute. I'll have the counter. Okay, both sides 1 minute and try to do. Okay, here we go. If anybody wants to drink water, I'm okay, or else you can start. Is everybody's okay? Okay, fine, great. Side plank, elbow. Okay, we'll do this for 1 minute. Here we go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. Seconds. Seconds. If you're doing for the first time, that's okay. You can go down and come up again. Completely fine. 30 seconds. 30 more to go. 40 seconds. 50 seconds. Last 10. And done. Great, guys. Sorry? No, fine. Okay. Let's do for the right side or the other side. Same thing, 1 minute. 3, 2, 1, and go. Ten seconds. 30 seconds. 40 seconds. 50 seconds. Last 10. And done. Great, guys. Awesome. Please clap for yourself. Right? It's not easy to do 1 minute. I know when we started we used to do only for 20 seconds or 30 seconds max. Okay, good. Okay. So let us do some stretching. Okay. Some leg stretching exercises. Leg stretching. Hold your toes. Try to touch your nose to your knees. Legs straight. Hamstrings are getting stretched. Thighs, back, shoulders, hands, everything is stretched now. Five, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Great. Single leg, both hands. Five, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Change the leg. Five, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Right? Okay. Let us do a cobra pose. Okay, you go down on the mat, leg pointing outwards, and then come up. You are trying to see the terrace or basically the roof. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. From there, come to the child pose. Hands stretched. Come down. Touch your nose down. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay, great. With this, take one hand like this. Okay, one hand like this, and try to go down. Okay, so you are taking one hand like this and going down. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. Same thing for the other hand. It's a stretch to your triceps and deltoids, shoulder deltoids. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay. Hand stretchings. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Nice. Change the other hand. You are stretching it here almost. You are pressing your hand like this. This hand is straight. Okay, completely straight. Yeah. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. This one. Again the stretch is here, and the triceps. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Sit down. Relax. What we'll do is we'll try to stretch our neck muscles. So hand little down, not here, little down like this. Okay, and then with fingers try to push this side. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Same thing for the other one. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And then with fingers upside. 4, 3, 2, and 1. And then down. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Great, guys. Okay. We are done almost. Okay.